What is up, everybody? It's your boy Unspoken Jay, and welcome back to a video, man. Today, bro, we got ourselves the motherfucking iPhone 14 Pro, man. I've been waiting for this motherfucker to come in, man, and here it is. It's in my face, and we're gonna get straight into it. So make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, and let's get straight into it, shall we? So I got my little knife here. We're gonna just oh, it has a peeling thing. I'm gonna see if I can use the peel thing before I use my knife. I'm gonna just see how this goes. And I also, hold on, I gotta move. I got a lot of stuff to explain with this iPhone. This phone got so many features, so many things that we need to go over with. So I just want to make sure I got everything ready and things of that nature. Alright, I got everything situated that I want. Alright, we're gonna peel this, so we're just gonna go ahead and just move my camera up too as well. Go ahead and shorten it. This camera. Okay. I'll go ahead and just peel this. Alright, nice. Okay, has a nice peel, to it. And it just opens up like this, I guess. Okay. Oh wow, and you have it nice. Let me show y'all. It has it nice and neat in there, just like that. I know the camera is like, I gotta raise it up a little bit. Okay. But yeah, see, just like that. We're gonna just take this boy out. Man, I've been waiting for this moment. Anything else in this box, nigga? I need it. This shit was expensive. I'm making sure I got everything out this motherfucker. Alright, everything's out. Everything's out. Okay. Boom, we have the motherfucking iPhone 14, man. I'm so fucking hyped, bro. So this boy, I got the 512 gigabytes one. My last phone right here is my XR. My last phone was a 64. I just had the normal one. So, and then this was also a 64 as well. But yes, we have it. Oh shit. So this is the front of the case. Pretty like the basic standards at the front. It's the side. It's the other side. And then this is the back. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and peel this bad baby. And then here, of course, it says where is it at? It says 512 gigabytes deep purple. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and peel it. Peel both sides. My dog is barking. I don't know if y'all can hear this shit, but he's barking. You better shut the fuck up. Dogs always be fucking up things. So we're just gonna peel it off. Get the nice shit, you feel me? Alright. Let's peel it off. Who the fuck is at my front door? Alright, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and hop right back into the unboxing. So basically, I'm gonna just go ahead and just take it out. Like, this is my first time. Oh my god, look at the fucking shit, man. Let's go ahead and take it out. Okay. So this is the back, if you can see. It's the sides, and then yeah, see, it has no SIM tray, man. This is the first iPhone with no SIM tray. This is ridiculous, and this phone is fucking beautiful. Like, whoa. All right, let's just go ahead and take this off. Wow. Let's go ahead and boot it. Let's just go ahead. This is the front. Let's go ahead and just boot this beautiful fucking phone up, shall we? See what we get. Oh, it's on. Wow. And I also have a case as well, so like, of course we can unbox this as well and put it on there afterwards so you can see with the case. All right, we get our normal screen like hello, and the battery on it is not bad. It is pretty much at like 80. It looked like 80%. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started up and all booted up and all that, and we're gonna go ahead and oh my god, look at the dynamic island or whatever you want to call it. It looks fucking beautiful. But we're gonna go ahead and get this set it up, and then we're gonna go over the features. Okay, I am so sorry. So basically I reviewed the rest of this. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So we looked in the rest of what was in the box. So it does not come with a brick, but it also comes with the power C end with the lightning charge on the other end, and then it comes with the design, and it also comes with a sticker. I swear I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. And then I unboxed my, hold on, I know you guys couldn't like feel like the first time and stuff, but I unboxed my case. This is what it came in, and then it also came with little keychains, which I'm not going to be adding onto my phone. And that was that. And then this is what the case looked like. It's a deep purple clear case. And now we're just waiting for this to be done. Restoring. You can't see it, but it says restoring in progress. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the little sticker on the case. Got the case looking nice and fresh. This is the phone. And I guess we should start getting into the main features of this phone, I suppose. Alright, so first off, I want to start off that with this phone we have emergency SOS, satellite. Let me go ahead and show you guys the screen. Okay, so with this phone we have emergency SOS via satellite. So basically it will help you get to any satellite near you at any time and anywhere. If you're like exploring, if you want, or if you like are lost anywhere, that is your key of getting saved or whatever. And then they have a crash detection, so it can detect when you're in a car accident. So basically when you get hit real hard, it just knows that you got your shit clapped. So basically it calls 911 and has emergency coming the way. Then it got the ceramic, I don't even know how to say this, but it's like a shield on the screen. So basically the screen's more stronger, more better, so it won't be harder, it'll be harder to crack, you know. And then the best thing about this phone, it has a bionic chip. It has an A16, and then it has ProMotion, and it has an all-day battery life. Also, and it has MagSafe, and they also have action mode with the camera. So if you're recording and you want to run or something, or do any skate or ride a bike and record, it has action mode, so it knows how to catch all good frames. You also have the dynamic island. So basically the dynamic island, it has everything. It connects with your AirPods, it connects with your battery life, it even connects with your map and your phone calls, and even Siri. It also the zooming goes up to 4. It has 4 zoom options now. I believe it only had 3, but now they got 4. I'm not sure about that. And then there's 48 megapixels, I believe that's how you say that. And the main camera, there's always on display. So basically, like if I let me see, they got an always on display, so that means you can figure out your battery life, your weather, and all kinds of things just by turning on your screen. They also have it's a 1600 nits HDR brightness. It has 2000 nits peaks on the outdoor brightness, and the new front camera with autofocus. And there's 4 new colors. They got the silver, you got the black, you got the gold, and you got the deep purple. Sorry for that notification. The new 12 MP megapixel ultra wide camera, that is actually pretty cool. They have an adaptive true tone flash, so they have a brighter flash. They have a photonic engine, better engine of filtering your photos and customizing your photos and editing your photos. They got a cinematic 4K 24 frames video capture, And that is the main stuff for this iPhone. So basically, this is where I'm gonna actually wrap up the video on these two products here. I mean, well, this one product here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also make sure you guys drop a like if you enjoyed and liked this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Now we also have a the brick for the iPhone, because you know it doesn't come with it, so of course you gotta buy it separately. So I also got that as well. And they double bagged it. Oh, yeah, they double bagged it. Weird. Double bag. And open this up. My fault, y'all. Alright, it's the box. 20 watts. I didn't get the iPhone one because, like, literally, I'm not gonna pay, like, literally, this was $12 just for two, and it's like $30 or like $20 just for one from Apple. So I got this instead. Pretty heavy, and then it has the C type, not the USB type. So you just, yeah, see how, yep, and plug it in there, and then bada bing bada boom. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe, man, and I also have it all, you know, all customized in my liking. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I don't know why I'm looking over here. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.